There are multiples of those. I think Black Book has one, but I think maybe the era for the pay site's over because there's just so many. It's like, where are the art directors going? That's a good question. So
they're going all over. They're going all over the web, aren't they?
They really are. They really are.
So this site, that sort of overview of site csjennings.com has his iSpot portfolio link there, and then it's got his draw blog on there, which is really fun because you can see, the inner workings of his sketches, which are so fun. We were at the conference the other day, and I was looking, and Christopher was there talking with Jeff Crosby, and they were and Christopher was sketching in his sketchbook, like drawings like that. He's always working, so you get to see his skeletal structures.
Yeah, I like to be able to show people kind of the process of what was happening. Again, I don't want to spend too much more time talking about what I do, but this is a recent piece, and what I shared was, here was this very rough idea of this dog grabbing the ball of the car. Here's a tighter version of it, kind of pulling just that, what you would expect a cartoon card to look like for kids. And so I went like with an actual, this is an old 1950s Japanese car that I just sort of love the shapes. And so pushing out of, okay, here's the paradigm that's expected, into this is actually something real. And it informs the character, and it informs the story. And that's actually what I'm going to talk about as I'm looking at the different portfolios tonight. That's where, we've got composition's important. We've got character design that's important. Use of colors, use of shape. But also, how does what's happening in your illustration inform the characters? How does it inform the story? That's what we're going to talk about as we're looking, because it's not just let's draw pretty pictures. When we're doing specifically storyboards, storybook stuff, we're telling a story, and that's the job of our pictures. And so often, now we've got wordless storybooks, picture books,
fewer and fewer words.
Yeah, fewer and fewer words, and it's really that show, don't tell. What can I show instead of tell? Let's pull out the words. And tell the story. Okay, so let's talk about the portfolios. Let's talk about